Hey everybody, we're back from taping, and actually at this particular moment, we're back from baseball. That means t-ball, with kids picking daisies. You know how that goes. Anyways, I'm super excited. We've been waiting long enough at thequiltshow.com. Monday, we're gonna start the neutrals quilt, which is right behind me. We have a pattern for it. It is neutral bloom. You can get a PDF downloadable file at thequiltshow.com, or you can mail in and we'd be happy to, send you a pattern. We still have a couple kits left, but guess what? The class is totally free. You're gonna look at neutrals like you have never looked at them before. It's gonna be in my lives, they are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 o'clock Pacific time. And because there's a lot of laborious stitching on here, I will more than likely teach on Mondays and then bring in surprise cool things on Wednesdays and Fridays. So I need to go drink water after being at baseball in 80-degree weather. And I'm really, really looking forward to have you in my Neutral Blooms class. And remember, it's free. Please pass the word. Oh, you can find it on my Facebook, thequiltshow.com Facebook, and on our YouTube channel. See you Monday.